got yours, Ash?
I'm Tempest.
I'm Keisha.
You can follow me at Snooty Booty.
At Markeisha Eves.
All right. We here to do the Ratchet video for y'all.
Let me get this music started.
Oh my God! Who let her out the house like that?
She is doing the most. She is doing the most.
Ugh. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She Ratchet.
I'm about to take this here for a picture. Ha! Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
She Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time. I'm too grown.
She Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them gators on.
You Ratchet.
Ooh, I want to punch her in her face.
Ratchet.
Can't stand her. Ooh, she too face.
You Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
What?
A baby boy. And it came with a sister.
Uh-uh.
Girl, yes. I'm pregnant. I'm still hit the club.
What?
Middle of the floor. No shoes.
What's up?
I gotta get cute today. Apple bottom jeans for a boost today.
What?
And you know my baby daddy just made jail. You know he'll shoot today.
Mm-hmm.
Just shoot today. And I'm gonna get two today. Really? Girl, you get the glue today? Thank you. Move to that. 1st and 15th, I got my food stamps. A brand new twist, a brand new tap.
What?
Brand new 46 tax.
What?
Brand new sack of dog. Brand new this cake along. And she went, but you thought you wrong.
Too bad.
What's boy? Boy, bye. Fuck you. Oh, Keisha, look. Here she go, girl. Hey, girl. You look real cute.
You
look
cute.
Don't she look cute, Keisha? She do. Turn around, girl.
Ooh.
Okay, girl. Oh, Keisha, but what does she have? Oh!
She Ratchet!
Oh, this is all wrong.
She Ratchet.
Ooh, I'm about to take this out for picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Girl, you Ratchet.
Cause I don't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause you Ratchet.
Boy,
you know you Ratchet.
Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Cause you Ratchet.
Stand up. Ooh, she two-faced.
Cause you Ratchet.
My name is Tempest Crawford. You can call me Snooty Booty. Freedom is free before 11. Then we ballin'.
Yeah.
Just look at me. This boy is sorry. Cause y'all got it's my future baby daddy.
Mari. He is the father, Mari.
We got the press on. But spell skin. We don't like them dark girls.
Red bone.
Twitter. But Twitter, follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Chris Brown.
What?
Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut
Down.
I'm with Team Bad Bitch.
What?
Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He paying.
Cha-ching.
What's saying? Girl, what you saying, girl? What?
You know about Roof Chris,
Do
baby?
you know about that? Because that's what we eat at.
Yeah,
Roof
cause
Chris.
you Ratchet.
Ratchet.
You
You know? Girl, look at her. She's ratchet. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
This front is all wrong.
She Ratchet.
Let me see this phone, girl. I'm about to take her picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put her on Twitter, girl.
You Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time, Keisha. I'm too grown.
You Ratchet.
Boy, bad. Not with them shoes on.
You Ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ooh, you Ratchet.
Ooh, she two-faced.
Cause you Ratchet.
She get on my nerves thinking she cute, wearing that tight ass shit. Girl, boo, what you thought? This plural for little girls. Not for you, big girl. Little girl. She look like a Robin Flash shop. A biggie. Get with us. Team light skin, boo boo. What you thought?